Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a navigation menu to your Hostinger website builder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website right here, hostinger.com. If you have not already, then from the top of the screen we can access the services tab. We can access the services tab and we can go ahead and access the AI website builder, and from here it's going to open up this new page from where you can either get started with signing up for a plan if you do not already have one, or just logging into your account. So once you're logged in, you can access your H panel, and here we can access the website tab and open up our website in edit mode. So by clicking on it, it's going to open it up like this. This is going to be our editor mode, from where at the left side of the screen we can see the pages section. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and manage this navigation menu at the top of the screen. That is in our header. We're going to click the pages section. As you can see here, we have the option that says main navigation. This is going to be our navigation menu. So if you want to have a page in the navigation menu, you're going to keep it right here. If you want to hide it from the navigation menu, you can go and select it right here to drag and move it, and you're going to put it right here that says hidden from navigation. Put it right here, and as you can see, it's no longer going to appear in the navigation menu. If you want to bring it back, you just go and click to move it again and bring it back to the main navigation, and now it's going to be back right here. And that's how you can go ahead and add a navigation menu to your header. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.